Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. If you're about to shoot your first wedding and you're feeling a bit unsure, this series of free videos is just what you need. The videos will show you how to plan, how to prepare, how to organize your day, so you never miss a single shot that matters. Let's begin with your most important understanding. You are not a guest. Guests just enjoy drifting through the wedding day, relaxing, having a great time. But if you're the official photographer, your day is very different. You're working to a very tight timetable. The bride and groom may want you to capture a wide range of pictures at different locations during the day. The only way to be sure you fit everything in is to know exactly where you should be and when. You need a clear timetable for your day's work. Here is a sample timetable for the kind of wedding day covered by Susan Taylor Photography. Pause the video for a moment to take in the detail. So how do you put together a schedule like this for the wedding day you will be covering? To see how, watch video 2 in this series. Planning your day's work. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications of new videos in the series.